Have you ever wondered how to install Windscribe on Android? Well, it's actually easy. Here's how you do it. The first step is to download the app. Just head over to the Play Store and do a search for Windscribe. When you found it, go ahead and hit the install button to download the app and hit open here when it's finished. Once the app is installed, you'll arrive at the splash screen. To get started, hit the Get Started button here. Let's just give it a second to boot up. And we're in! Now, at this point, we can get straight to connecting, but if you don't yet have a Windscribe account, your VPN use will be limited to 1 GB a month. However, if you register an account with your email address, you'll get 10 GB of VPN bandwidth for free. To set up an account, hit this menu in the top left here, and hit Account Setup. Here, you can input your desired username and password and your email address. Then hit Continue. Once your email is confirmed, we can head back over to your freshly installed Windscribe VPN and get to connecting. To connect, just select a specific location from the list here, and Windscribe will automatically connect you to whichever location you just picked. To allow Windscribe to activate its super awesome VPN goodness, hit OK when this box pops up. You'll know you're connected when the app itself turns blue, and you see the word On in the top left corner here. And if you ever want to disconnect or reconnect to Windscribe, just hit that great big power button in the top right. We were thinking of making it bigger, but there's only so much screen to work with here. And that's all there is to it. Now you're one whole step closer to safely browsing online. My name's Gary, and this has been my Scribe Talk.